Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch, so let's open the app. Once you open the app you should see the device page with your Vapor 2 watch. Now scroll down through this page, find the Advanced Settings button and tap on it, and here find the Unpair Watch button. Tap on it, then tap on Unpair Watch and wait. The device page with the watch will disappear. You can close the app, go to settings on your phone. In settings find the Bluetooth settings or connected devices and tap on it. And here check if the Vapor 2 watch is on the list of previously connected devices. As you can see on my phone it's not here, but if it was on yours, you need to tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget device and tap on forget to remove it. And once you're done, you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.